Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Try of your socks drawer being a complete mess. Well, fear not, because today we are going to show you 3 genuine way to fold socks. Let's get started. Our first method is called the quick roll. Simply lay one socks on top of the other, fold them in half lengthwise and roll them up tightly. Voila, a perfectly compact and organized pair of socks. Next up we have the square fold. Lay your socks flat on a surface, then fold them in half and fold them in half again, creating a square shape. This method not only save your space but also help to prevent your socks from losing their shapes. And lastly we have the KonMari method. Lay your socks flat, then fold the toe section toward the center, fold the top section down and creating a small rectangle. Finally fold in both sides to create a neat package. This method ensures your socks stay perfectly organized and easy to find. And there you have it, 3 genuine way to fold socks and keep your drawer in order. So say goodbye to socks and hello to a perfect organized drawer. Remember to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video guys. Then bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.